tia se be ya wonhwe ade me wo mpanyifo akuku da mienu bi e wo fiase ya me no mo e ba betwetwe enkomo no part 1 and part 2 kan water ho asem san so can fire nze two minim say opposite sides o ya ne ba be kan ho asem ofiase nti ye wo pain pa free nadmo for akache na ye san so pain pa free fire service for akache ofiase Mr. Anthony Amono Kwanza nadmo rep Central Region I say or rep moment salapo on the bekasa ama nadmo for sanso Mr. Mohammed Rashid and also a safety officer fire service the office there no pedu no di juma nti anopen for me anyway no more eba bedi enkomo me catch you say the expert neighbor nti so we expert yenti me enje wadwen hye ne sa sa na say nti bomode asa anopen oni ebet na ha say Listen from the name of the the last time we catch you say the area health for is we use for schools and for field and for asori dem and businesses and then so fa warm and so ne fa for no so na ejam na mu last week ejabi a esi no enye Cape Coast I say na yakra na mum no say we so bi abode say hia so say mbe yanka so sensu esi wudi no ho ko hia ankrem nsuo hyemu say na be a eja no kwa mpo entimi enka bia wo no nti so say so ye go make ye na ye di efie nsemi ye na sa atwe nchem no ebi anto ye wo fia say mpe from pacho me mama akwa aba pacho me jidi sanyame adom mo ho ye de yenya ya ho ye Edayamiase. Ma wo say master today na Monday na ya sha ase no. Eno ana master no ana. Sa. Edayamiase. Na me ya ya tun sa from na some nya ba fiase ana ya me dey because it only goes to prove say mo dwuma manfo ho. En adwuma na ya dey ahye mo nsa no so mo ye ni yie. Eno anti na mo fiase mo ama ha say ye ntua maka Coastal TV. Na emom no mo ankasa mo buy because mo well-being of a manfo no at heart. You nti yeda masepa sa no pe maba be kan yensa so me di kan ye kan nadmo ye kan fire na because Mr. Kwanza wo be means no rest as if you ho the issue of flood no the whole Ghana na ne tell say afibia se nsunya petepe me ka se nsu tompo nsunya petepe every 1 second bia na flooding enamo ene institutions ahodo obetina nadmufo kwa ha say yesi nkofo ho aka wo ha na nadmufo namu at the end of the day nadmufo nan so na ebepie my first question am person me bisa ni say adentina sa issue and that's why so over the years even though sa semisia that particular year no nadmufo mbeka say oh we are putting measures in place and then adentina sa issue no yeah that's why you
Ozikan medical staff TV na adwuma nya ase da wa man kwan nya de yentumi afa mbekire aza oho nyina wo eman mu sisi amanka da egura o yeman nyina sanso mudinchia kase mazema yan regional director kusi da wo mekan ya o former ori adwuma sa na Mr. Owu Metro director no so former ori adwuma no ma na mefi meza baade because your assessment degree over the week no mansu no otie dan sinsem adwuma di bebe da yanyim na samaba wasam na ibise na nani yino yentumi ye sample to bia nka once so na amfi igwe hade anaga na hanya nko baby na yambubu gani na won sase won yele out na fofo na yamba tinam ono na da mo ho no obefido because my yebeka yebechim da mama nyipan ye no onara na opa obeye mechena nti ebi wo a yehwe disasters in bebe na flooding bebe na oye man made kasna kasa ye man made some natural na bia no di bia yentumi yan wo hwe yentumi anfa chance so wi mi sunu ba na de ye egu pum ba kasena nkasa yankasa ankwankro na yanunzi ye yanto ye kwana ye fadu ye yanzama yesisi ya dan na muhu oyen kasena ye ma made into the reference nti mo yegudu ye kwa me yebetum ye nde nti na admosisi ya no ye can't add ready do prevention piece.
Okay.
Nti ye kwana bia yebotum ya bo ba nti before there no nti na ye education bi na ye tena ha dey no ye church amasadam embe no so a the member no so ye huma ye be nti am sa asam ne ye kape ye tei na ne ye fo na ye ntumi ye one ye ho ne kasena ne ye se ye na ye dutum da bia ma ye bosunya ye beti nya ye ti ye adwuma nka ye ho boten bebre so da na ka hwe nkanizima osi de bia insuto fanyipa adenibu kekosusu de bia insuto fanyipa na adenibu first na nka na adenibu but be 2-3 years on the kekosusu na say party no on the din ko kuma de bia sisi adamazin nti hwe ekwana ye nyanzi ye no ono na odi da menzamani ya nekas no zeba so meka man made contribute about 80 to 90% than the natural disasters no or kakrebi no
o kasa no kasa man made mo sha say mo assessments e fa ne say e ba ne say flood na ba na ya fa na mo say mo ma me show na bibi say na esia mo say enema ba ni enema ben sa na enkoyi a nti ye bitimi akasa man made enema ben sa na nipa yankasa timamifo no ye
ebi yo ha ekọ ebohu de nankasa wa hye no bebi won se de osu dan nsu na akwane no nti ne dem no omba municipal crime budget permit obeyo wadwun bi de so ye kodu lentre ho na ono oba nyimpanyi mitintumumbu edan nya engu na de bia insuta not how ezaba nti wa so bokolu bobu de no ibi wo so ebi na drainage no wa broken and de we see won ba na won baji bia ekwana obofado obotum oda aza bia it save for so many years.
Okay.
A disaster no bond or the doctor until I did be a mass of money making a mass or a mammy or yin panancasa yensu.
Okay.
Into Sabia can you botum in Naka yin as a son can you a young botany. Actually, recent Friday Nazo Bina echo a gatters and drainage as if in run and consider cook board and only neighborhood or gat anymore. Never knew so. In where be you or one son, Nankasa botum work got a nimpa. No, this supporting bag, no baby answered or kono. Inti order den snow so baby also no or one place. Inti ever kono snow we choke or got him or do buffalo baby now so buffalo. Inti I make us say be one budget a permit no only nanga say sinede wa block water way. In sooner they are done nankasa better no kwan. Inti no kwan no ebiana ya for on junction ya do higher. The first na dem Vic na oni atam wo ye wie no the sis Africana no yin Tibetan junction oyin first na ho ne ye baby as one pinti nsu ne be wotum omemen nti no mbopum wo hantem and sis ya baby o dem so one pay ni ya fe ni nyina na ya kaso do nti bibia na wo jinsu ne binti ofiso odo obeson de na onetu ha dey na no cancel ni ya na ye bo afibia na ye bo but her fees odo so do.
What is the differences? Afibia na cost wo but this particular year na cost bebre no e dey na cost say
o tell ya so zin bebre no so dey ye bebre no ya ye
even though over the years flood no cost wa eba
ona meka de sisi anti no oga ebisa ma se bi na meka de se e botuma nka ye twin figure ha de na won mesise gwe we ya na wode na abetum nti e babo no kwan na drainage na ade na ade ti e ba na aka cho da ha na botu nti men tu ntra men dem na neti nti ma ye ntum sisi a prevention ti e kasa chere hu de bia na bia wa wuda na enyim kakra na se e botum eyiyim
okay
sunta mo be sifomu no amen sunu ba onfa so na wa afa gata no mu kaseno so afi da bia osno de wechi ni won so na aba yan so so won aba ka chen nti bia yan so ekona ye ba fodo ya afa ma osede ma dan no so mo oyi kaseno na chede wa abo ye nyina but bi won nan kaseno gota na efisem so na no du so mo na dem fa mo no bogumu no po no o retwene de abene enda na ombe ebi an dem time no so yen capture them wo no so awo amba another amfa kone bi anka nche na ye be say ye hunti su time no so na wa chi nyina
apart from drainage systems are choked by inwura ne ade no we have some drainage systems so asese and next year ne ade afelo no gata we okra be say yen team crowd for like years. Send them on so not more to one amobe. Gata the air drains running a casino. Okay. On say, as I the numu no ya usu. Into honor no ya the certain no. And the certain yazini abu yako yaka assessment in ya na ma ban rules. Na ban was so ama a contract na we yi ni nyina mu nti ebi wo na make da bia ment na won kitin da bia de bia se nadmo fu yamba wa su hu bibi wo hu fiti na se hwe na bia obotumeze oyin na aba tonyentem bia ba na ma nadmo fu ya so ati okay ya so ta pa ya baba na ya bohwe se meeting potem emfa ne se emfa be bin kwaya emfa na me fanya example emfa ne se meeting antem na me potem no aflade nsuo toyo no aba sese niema se me phone na se me fe nadmofo a one meeting systematically se munya ba ho a ede na moye
man father makonye man fanda Mr. Kennedy dio Kennedy Brown as or be there can what side antem school what side yeah now over them problem in one ifie okay nanka sample obam municipal obam busy nature on time see basic from them problem you know ya hwe oni wo okay enye bebia na ebo hu but onu otu anamono no onya a problem me solve ya bia wa aboa ama denka do ekono nanka motin sisi ala onto dem bio in there antem woni ya for prone area nti for prone area no zi but nkofu won fie na nsukoko ho no etumia bia ekone bia ye be fonta mesese e shedan na simple na se inde ekono wo nsuma awu bra na admo ya so ye wo nkofu a expert yeziba mo a woda na be ya bia the insuta onkaba udemo but say so ho na sidane wie na say insuboma afibia insubobom afibia insu bia be ye bia insubaba ono na no ho adwuma no yezena no okay so the etim sisa onwo abetena yeah anti prevention na ebotuma but nkai be chance nara na say effort kwan papa do ankono line obotum ezabo okay I'm not sure the answer I was looking for. In fact, maybe I say no. I didn't involve Nadmo. My country, me and Naja. Me ko to masa na me be see me dan ni ade. Fofi an to ata isi to ye afa me fie ni ade nyina. Ne bia my friend Nadmo, Nadmo mo me na nsuo no eyi wo ante this side momra. Nadmo etuka aba site bo. So muju wa. Edie ni die na mo beye.
to solve that problem? Because I don't want to believe that next year we may face the same challenge.
Oh, on all the kind of one, I know what the next is soon. So I know the first with your mama, I said I wouldn't know soon.
Okay.
Or soon. In terms of in Pempen and as a beer in Swami, and we realize we protect lives and properties. So I wouldn't issue.
Okay.
Now, my culture, there be a share, or be a woman, be another one to be an obusin, be a baby. Nakatna a mention kakama in sooner a enso.
Okay.
But there a better than say by your there a quantness and sooner be a or the words not be a winter moment. You be with him, where you will if you home.
Okay. So what's the reason?
A no so say be buna and less an admo budana or replace not one sidanama.
Okay.
Obi biara yebo nyimpa no in zaman ho ban to no pay your concentration nti we so na so say advice with the wodan no say ibotum osensumu no ibotum bia afan fofora fine na so say bia oppose danger ma bi mo so no so say ye bu no so a ye ba fam bra kondo na ye za abafo
mo pese mo bu na me se ma mo mu ne eno be kwa ko wi o quarter na
say on che bi atide na e bubu da no bi wo ayo no nti hwema obu egu nyimpa no do no e ma nyimpa no wi no na nka ma ye be na twem na sini nti ye na nka ye bu no ma onyi no wi ma ota nti ye eduma no do de bebe za benya izunu bon kakra but na je ya adziye ebinu ente yebu eda ne egui anapa adechina anapa ya na woba ya naso yo woba de one day odu embe no ebinu etase because ebimu ahwo ekro anafo woni de ya for ba beyin bank obobo ne ba wa paradise bani ya dem ade edani bia edani couple dan bi o wait be 150 years in as into old into sanan mo say be won na kada bia yehu ade bi wodano nti bia wo film na won ko bebi ayo won te yan kakra oni ehawa ya refum
recently director Kwesi Dawood eka say edaya esisi insuo mu insuo kwan mu na ade ni nyina no omba bebubu na was it 2024 I think 2024 omo years that demolition exercise me nankasa I was there na no omo years exercise ni na mo jara na say masha say because director say mo ba be but me share dem hu say bibia
oya ja yegudu na machines no ewa you did the Jumano, I don't know if you be a good be a qua be an afford Kakaba until they take and burn now. Maybe so also you pano, no, don't want Casa Nature baby. I don't be a baby or you pawajuma. I won't see Obia Yan and Tassi Bumina a Dabona must assassin and you bear engaged.
Okay.
By Tassia Boom. The bear will be on old baby nurse. Or reason, no mum, me who there be or both with the how as a bat, and on your uncle to oppose danger, maybe Musa or Nona. If you are now a force album, assembly, we are abominable with the album for money.
Okay, Mr. Kwanzaa, Mr. Abaho, but my main call, Mr. Rashid, and change so not no Indian como. After that, Mr. So Abaho shortly. Mr. Rashid. Yes, madam. Nkomana me ne ladmo food ni say what bebre
ma tv bia
na ne yefo no say ye ka flood for asem so na ye ka fire no so ho asem because June 3rd ye in history ye Ghana ha say enya asem bia ye be say e be repeat cry in fact no wish that on even my worst enemy nti enya de ye pese ye hu no fofo na tell me say last week ya na Ejebi esi wo Accra. I'm looking for the specific place nanka maka ade amount.
Accra Central.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I don't know. I say Ghana no na say yen deal say there, but all the same. Also there no a man made, and also say it's the same.
Madam say anope mumpayinfo minchia wan we no regional commander ma Mary na yen Mary district commander D1 force ije tuto na ototo wo nsoto brimin or man made okay so or natural or kekre baby natural is being caused by lighting. Say ije esuru pemne ije nsaman otwa bebe ko kisi azibia otum oshoda or natural ije na baba into me siu no kwan ije na baba but domestically or man made nyimpa no mfom do onam be nsuru tominti nyini aye wode ina mahwazin da man be ni dumedzin okoso ma try the instead of nsuru ton nyimpa was ready to put off like television fridge or so we put one off and say because we are expecting, we don't know when lightning will strike. We don't know when anything will happen. But Osidu no say Zosidu usim so oba into nsu nukwan. And consider your call. So nsuru tuta because from na e kita Nigeria calling. Ahun biara ntuado or radioactive or heat or heat transfer no oma enye obi itum nye ne kasa na say igudu reason na say as an option o sida ma line no da oba more infection intimi insuru to ijetuto na o sin kasina ya man made but as wasn't yemu binum owo nyina afom ono no oze da me nyeme nyina ozeba yeyimde insuru to light no using or was freedom as a woman why a block doing so 2 hours another 3 hours doing so ibutu masana as in why a blog we all say but that man there ni bogo today ibini dem fridge is bare 10 yes do we will be our fridge nti insuru to ija osisin oye human error no ozi dame ija toton ozeba
cause this is not the first time I hear kasa we ija nipa ni role yankasa ye play ewomo but na America no meaning say Ghana for na ya yinsia dio say I say you will feel as 7 term asem ebi ko kan ya fa no ho time you will feel as 7 term asem si na nya kan wa asem gidigidi na 1 week 2 weeks 3 weeks 1 month
9
na as a story na die ye nti ho hwebe nti no obi ansua hwe ewom mami bisaw Pedu office.
Yes, madam.
Me sure say fire for apart from say Coastal TV improve for say more public education. We hear sensitization from time to time. Anna.
Them not the Coastal TV one say obey that say you want to move.
Sir.
Roadshow by roadshow. Apart from that, you have radio stations.
Okay.
So all your when you there. Obitina ni radio na orobonyom oti the fire service for waba radio no de pe obetuna
but sister channel
no so ni obetiti yan kasai mo ye program obafa kasa ekure bie bi no oza abono ho ban efi ja toton but kasina amanfuti because so odu call in na you the amount for it is said ibinimiti but kasina wonye krado de wo beti e kon obo fado no wa bo won ban efija toton wo isubi na adwene bi de iyi dama na yeye nti de bia so de yeye na dama wo bi sa wonusu efide de no wo ti ze odin ja so ye wore kan wonye krado no wonusu no atorencha no oton so na atrenche hwe mfonyi na wotwa no Accra Central bia ohwe yi
yeah
hwe adechi ejodan mfonyini bi a oba out even there because ijenu ijen scene na yen pia record no orchestra the series of blaster or kodu wo ijen mu they can't enter because also hononkwa is at risk.
Okay.
As it seems, Matson Nakase na say fridges are no OCC within the short apartment. Fridges in Kuku more than 20.
Wow.
Small apartment. So at that time, when do you expect someone to enter? There are cylinders, gas cylinders inside. It's even there. At Renchamotu Wabana, I never were as a woman why a blog me. You put to task around Cranko. So a company them are out to doing, be no freedom, not to plug in if you never to walk. And you know what freedom on side says as if from preservation on side.
Okay.
You put to task around Cranko Bia, Naso Go Costa TV, do I pay? Say, as a man, you can never near for my end. How did say, me a contra is about to run, Konakaye. So, Antasa, you're not so woman. You were moving the Cape Coast, you were so basa, you were Pedu, you were Kotakraba, you were UCC, even Kotakraba market in Polo, you are so you were. Intasa Bra, you were Abra, Abra market, so you are so you were. Bra, when you give me some that I'm not sitting down, Mantasa Papa, it's be there, what's your we are friendly to the citizens.
Okay.
We are not like military. When you fee, you come. Police and the rest prisons, we are friendly to the citizens. Until you people in Tasa, but wasn't a baby. So I'm being you in this and you need to do not say it to be anxious. We save a savable life, not dead life.
Okay.
We save a savable property, not dead property. It is about today you need to do not mess and tasa. Didn't you have accident? Actually, Akweshiaba, no your no friend, no your cousin now. Didn't you know? You put the one that you happen on we save a savable life. Dead person, young Casano, but Obi Orija home in Kitten. Only you attend to, but not Obia or one was in our because our one was in Eric no be other Usha on two million papa. One we save a savable life, not dead life. We save a savable property, not dead property. Time I would do see one. And the type of blast now, explosion or everybody, we are afraid there are nearby properties. We have to rescue those properties. And a few of us can attend to what is burning, but many of us, we have to surround what is burning and save the savable properties. I think hydrants. About 1 kilometer you get fire hydrant. It's about so connect hydrant in the say hydrant offer then when they are now on emergency they can use what is in the car. Hydrant no see areas so the car has to travel from the fire scene to another place to go and replenish and bring water. It's a fair TV now. There, one of the metro assembly track white at that area, you need hydrant or how do you expect us to work effectively?
There's been some recent attacks and so on fire service personnel. The recent one, the delivery guy be or say fire service for the fire or say fire service for a tender no in Zoom. And a personnel now found a one chair, answer the crowd. Only be a demo in Swedish as a meeting in draw.
And him may see Juma, and him may few.
Yeah.
Well, that's how we follow Crampo, a tune in the call. Is it to an ebo app bia onye adwuma
yeah
eyemen say anapaya ba yehwe hemen ozimu anado onzimu so ozimu a efre he na ye na yesbama another station chede henen wa atachima
okay
nti anapa wona woba wo bebe yi wona worokon osebe wo hwede eyemen ozimu anado onzimu so onzimu a wo beka kire wona worobande eyemen onzimu problem a ohi eni for yetu yetu ndama hawo ne yenye nti ye book out of commission nti ntamna the nearby station wo be from on catch and there that next station ni heni yeduma nti we make sure that you are standby ama asembia ba ye be from one ye betu yetu ehemi yeduma ye kokodu bi o se yedumija engage pump na onye yeduma oye hen no number 5 service no be wo Kotakraba old Nuhu watch repairs
okay
enyim honum na one man be ofibuase Sunday morning okita Benz minister for to car bay what bay we engage pump in yeduma they have to call Pedu can this wo Pedu for bay yeduma ni we engage pump in yeduma
wow we work as a spiritual
nti efini yezi yeduma obuti we disappointment that doesn't mean that you can lose him nti na makada se nti bibia sa oya bra he na so ye ebe he na so bo the cast be sisi wo na kalin zibia hibu ze wasa se no mpo zibia hibu bia nsuti no ba ko yini be nsi wotu no ho aye na nti so ne hibu nsu yezi wo ama ye hinsa yetu yakafa ne yezi ezuduma na ankwankwan sa wosisi fie akasa wosi dan bo won fie ho ban eduma akasa wo ibi na kumpu ibi wo oni politank kurumbu oni reservoir in case there ya ba ma ye ho akire yan ye hiyin so ye butu ye din yan ahomatenten ye za atu ya fonsun na ezezuduma.
Just as I was asking Nadmono, sebi in Prediasa, baby she, me fear na baby sebi she, na machufu na fire service. Answer na mubeju mpo ameka se mu yi mu comes na mo spray say nsuo ni ade nyina. Systematically no, so munye ju ho a, what is the first thing you will do to the last thing you will do?
The first thing we do in there, you do fire scene.
Okay.
You penina order one na we ko dum gyan ho na no. O se be otum o access igyan.
Okay.
E banaze na ore show. First, then you hu ajo ore show na kaze na ya afa na ezi ko dum gyan. E bia na e be friend there or electrical fires but you go do one on your electricity
related
kra zawaje na kachira won na e kachira na yebedu wanyen yiniza ya won yebedu hundo onyo ni bia because osebe ye yesini na penyin kurboko bi ore so na wa kohwe what is burning o zo ore so na wa abakoje yemfa a b c d na yemfa nkoda amazi na ore so na yenko seye kwa azayi kan yen first nkwa
okay
life we save life. Ibini se ibini she iflemu a ijewa tota. Ibini can rescue those inside the building.
Okay.
Yimpa kakano so we fight ja. But anwenzi nya she bia yimpa no one. Information ye be 10 na yokoya about 5 go to work search and rescue. No 5 wa fight jam. It is okabandam na yinsa kan mpani wia yebetu yebudem na yakọ ifiem yebetu yebu abo ana wall bi na yakọ akafo obi na yin na aba oyenye me yebo aba yeza ma obi.
Okay,
we have that power. We have that power. We use it during emergencies, not any ordinary day. Say asabna ba no okabanda say yebu we have that power to break in.
okay.
nti so akabandam na after assessment in you be January we find first man in last man out.
Okay.
Because I will even go if you want even na yero kom say you adwuma ni so wie a you pray still you pray the catch out there you wie na ebutu ma akọ as in the otse and san akọ say you can tell there men kwa you don't have any right to enter because ebiana you would there as in why mel you come na anhwem ye ya ebe hwe wo kwa nti e be catch the men ko Ejepazi nyumana wasem yebati yetay but e wankwa nkuni hia nti yebe most mo wasem yembompe de e wankwa na nyame onshow anim because se in eduben kakakra you can recruit what you've lost. Nti se yekosina this is him procedure. We first assess, then we know what is burning. Yafa Azar said you do. Only you do you do. Ijema ya chichema chapen na chapen. You were class A, you were class B, you were class C, you were class D, you were class H.
Okay.
Nti say class A you was also you do. You were class B, you was also you do. You were class C, you was also you do. Nti you is already show na. No you have no na kazi, no you zo ko This is how we assess fire.
Before that, class A, B, C, D, H. Why H? What turn numbers we are?
A mixture of all those class B, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, or a mixture.
It's showing my
class H, no.
And class A, B, C,
class A, yeah, ija often tabu, idea, etam.
Okay.
Ukratai.
Okay.
And I know, say, okay, triangle of combustion now. You one side, you heating, yazifim, and insu, no yazuduman.
Okay. Ordinary
insu, yeah. But class B, yeah, ija often angwa, petrol, diesel, and also no akaze, you're different.
And your ordinary insu.
And your ordinary insu, yazudun, your chemical be, yazu good out today, some the whole. Your foam concentrate.
Okay.
AFFF. And no, you see the fra no machine na Obama foam no happen. And say yes so yen calen no say or the pressure is reba ofi machine na no today say no
okay.
And which in frama oxygen is a supporter of combustion. Until you general inframa odzo until you general inframa until foam no kata da on yon frama biom. In the class C, on oil interfere, gas and electricity.
Okay.
One source of fire breaking occur, one method of extinction also occur. And I know we stop the energy. Anything else is ija auto wufi, not so in the man switch off your means. Or but cut the flow of current through the electrons. Ijem begina wo means ni mu omba ide mu ho ama yetu ya ye nedwuma ye the same as gas the gas so say oshas do ratio no so e burn another cylinder nankasa often not to a woman meeting fefido are free.
Okay.
And we cut the supply. The class H in a class D ye metallic. And then factories were home. When I one does it, also one type of fighting of fire or different.
Oh, okay.
Because when if you see good, doesn't know that what poison, it will be a problem. In class H in American, and go.
Okay.
Electricity okay. A time a napkins BBA mixer, kitchen. Kitchen. BBA gas and go. Be your napkins, be your rags, BBA osidi musu yehu ekwana ye bofo da ye botum ya fight damage damage oh papa bibia wo ho isago ikom say abono so was angobi with nsuo na say tabo no wa hwe bo na ejina ho iru dumije na ngodo so wechi ta ha nti dama bia no say rekwa osidi what to do nti na ya class na nti ijeme ya chichema chapen sinti ko nom duma ya chichemi ama zori shubian ye wakaza yezudumun oye ijebia na yezudumun obendama iyankase yebo ti the electricity ikwaya na akafonsu gas ikaya na akafonsu idin susu kuda bunda azin menyo wa dan wa bullish ti sinti ko nom duma ya chichem achapen
oh ninti I was a jata I was a fire service for no many young school you knew class ABC no you knew who she you go see a fire service bibia ho she intina a jata now for phone now for fire service asa no mboko no omo phone lines no ebetuja amete free ntimpa cho enkoye ho expert na we agbolo na eja ato no akwa so nsuo tank ba ko ba be hwegu so yina ha ye nhye ne so sa okay Mr. Rashid
yes madam
my name is Irene mi ya na me san so aba na dwo ho na fe ya round it up is it no nsuo to no
yes madam
na maka ne empesa repeat of June 3rd ABC what the car catch say nsuo nya sha say ta ye ndundum ye fridges ye TV na me ye nyeko. What other safety precautions am able to in our workplace, in our homes, to prevent any form of fire at all?
Madasi, yes, I say home.
Okay.
Home that's so amount for you there. Say we jaza jine jazi. Ewe hola jina hall.
Okay.
If you are jazzing. No, radio no tin so bibi besa enti about to task e wo jaza concentrate ma wa dwene mbi aza area no do if you wanna able hola e botum abo hol na aba ye wazi
okay
otobe bien say use any electrical gadget and electronic gadget bia use we doing not to now manufacture na photo wo anything here trust any socket very you am trusting so a trusting is a fine as no be an adwen
okay
because socket in our one it can be faulty inside it doing no in time women and fan to because of white plastic cover now or covering what is happening inside. Nti komuni no yin fo tu idum na tu na foto na so ndwembra eya dama obotu wa boyen papa enyim na edum ne entefi ne 14 second or 40 na agin oguduri edwuma no oboto fo wa kaka azibi otu mission no zi atrenchen zaba because this is insulta we use electricity more than they insunto say yoko eshubuma yenta yemfa kane yemfa nzidwuma te dey fan that time no yumi no so nti yes of fan pa ibi ko ni de ni ade mpo bonde fan is do but say insunto eco offices bebria won say aircon bonde we use fan we know that today yumi oyawo nti wonta won so air conditioning no air conditioning so say you no switches in bebre you ibi wo yedum na so dey 2 years to wo ibi so wo a wontumuntu wonfontu wo nti ye beto task dey say intumuntu a edupe a ezutu temperature bi a obemmo ehwe a eru kwa how the kind of dum
okay
kai no dum na kitchens a obemben da ma air conditions na azem about to asre won twino nko onfi air condition no wo kakra obotu wa aboa because air condition no be ahomete papa but until ehwebo na ni station always modernization afoforo ba
okay
se problem no be ihu na se wo hu de yi ota oma aturenchama bonne from no go bonne fofo so aba na ya cha se de yesesa ya twa fofo na yeziri se che na about to task bia if electrician yi bi mo obofie obezi dwuma zema wa bisan problem na one eba na ade na ode da na ehaw na zebey
okay
am ehu me repeat the same mistakes bio and a fresher for qualified and competent electrician say e wo fie na say won nyina ma hoazenem e ko wi men sinodo na won chichema your fridge your light your fan se wo fan ko offer wo light yeduma wo switch is yeduma se won chichema da ma na ne hwere
okay
women station loaded ado se light no problem obabawa bonde light section no oko off
okay
electrician obey wi a obaba abaso no wo fan no wo switch in ya wo yeduma enyi dama conduit no dam pocho hwehwe qualified and competent no won to dam conduit no do obobo wo yire ma wo zum tuti wo fie
okay
se ya dama awo ne yema wo so obisa na BBT in a way to see, but on your aza maybe isn't she a plug with BB. No, say if we first know there, we switches in brown substance be or baba white cover not to charge
brownish substance.
Bunde white plastic and a bunde be down brown.
Okay.
A bunde or overheat. No, or created Amazon.
Oh, okay.
Overheating of the circuiting. And circuiting, and we created Amazon. Amazon was overheating is baba. Your socket you may be you were 15, you were 13.
Okay.
Is the what would be done so 13 amps. Next is the from heater, and iron. Is it cash and microwave? Is it cash 13 amps or bomb sparks or create heat? Because that when you know that they use lead. LED use 1,000 watts. Okay. 1,000 watts on to control 13 amps.
Okay.
If this electrician in Ebenazi or the Dama Sinte or the Brum will be or Baxero or Chewa is selling Yadama mistakes in Libium. It's about to transfer. Say your offices are and our filling stations and our gas filling stations are. So in to ta your boss yanke the moment when you but in someone years in room or pipe they should stop.
Okay.
One canana.
Both fuel filling station and gas in
because they use Latin arrestor. But say also now arresting when you will so more testifoma at Rencham Baba. At Rencham Baba. Prevention is better than cure.
Cure, yeah.
When young boy, a juma no ban. You proclaim all so in suit on a catch and there, you made it 20 yabe number smack a cray baby, say you want to no kofoma, you go to yourself in Pocon Yimpa. So the little dear Ojina in no so Nimpa here. And that's what I say. No, you what you. Medasi.
Mr. Medasi pana. O car filling station asem na sem ba ko be si meeting. Aye drivers na omo kwa ko buffet petrol diesel a omo so kan. Sanko phone. Me no fire service ni. But according to information kakra me wono. And also to me e cause fire me boa.
Sanity. Madam, wa utuwe anadwe wudidi mi ya wutu me da.
Sometimes I haven't mean that.
Yes, sometimes we do that. So a little digestion as a way to rather. Nti a little digestion the dear me about it is sound kakra. Fine. The same thing car. Kosi boni oya car or pimpendo afu e no so do odru. So odru na say e ma otra. Se car no oko ne petrol or riser only baby no occupy
space
behind you because you fill it to the brim. Nti space na akokosi be you jelen or your space as separate but tank no ma petrol or rise vapor no petrol no or tank no ma but the tank while you fully charged.
Okay.
All you fully charged unless when you be pia wan kasha at renchen baba. You don't know car no all overfloating. What overfloat. Overfloat na say yon se be osen osa ehwe mezi yeduma eat wo fuel wo oxygen pe no hia
oxygen so dey
from one ton omo nka na ma se ni mo from okoko won na woko to cylinder woko fill one gas wo filling station gas filling station mpocho e ka fill wo gas filling station na se zero kwa men de done.
Okay.
Mo so Dibia yeka the bottles to touch ankwankro when see is a yerekan no one year from mayan what did they know cylinder or koreba okobi obi fia o mo bi si wa no ze me head is esu no wa cha sesiri etuma aya hwe na se build up on the you were left over gas so you were cylinder you were left over into that left over so gas no all corner na say or pile up na say pressure or your intense if you shim na over blast the put to test around kwankwo no we feel gas mo all your ma space na we jam kakra no we feel na mo all your ma there in this space bia wo cylinder no mo but we so one ya twa ye kakra ma yen yimpo all about gas Oni nga man hihye awo abe obi nja so ya ansa na gas filling station bia wo bo hya so wa edwuma yetete one there bia ko aka edwuma asa obutum wo za atwe nchen za ban oni everything wo gas na take the precautions driver na roba mondum oduwa mondum nija una what in no one son. You have to get down.
Oh my God, me be that. In fact, you have a Bianca saying
you also filling station attendant and you being the driver. Answer now, whether you install gas and the installment or advising. You need ready there that my queen gets paid to yenye krado kra nti oma isin wa ebena jewo ma yejire sunu mu ntu yefi yene sunu sinu ye tawo fo suban o isu na na ban ebena no anti isu no ho nti yentu yefi isu no ba yentu ya bongozi yefi isu no a nti atrenche mi wo ha konsi Mas me dá assim.
Você não sabe, grava for no mundo para massa. Esse cara não dá muito bem. Aí, eu sou cara do meu sou. Mas tu me ofo no problem. Na, nesse. Como não? E é beto aso. Na, e é você já boa for um cara tocar bibri na ya. Isso não. E é mal bem cara não acaba de agar just ne ya kan na. Ya casa só é por no isso. E é bem sabe se a meu com baby a.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no na afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwenso ohua ko wumu a enye sunsu asobone ewo apomodensem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfom so kitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo nse fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Yes, I'm so more crab, but never to and come bono eso, baby and pay for a baby no way, she won't say a car. Name will be a meno, a be my quino, and ye bidding comono na ye DSC. Na, Mr. Kwanzaa, my member, Mr. Rashid, I can send baby no that chair ye near for. So you're back not more for a catcher. Send ye share, ye fear. In fact, yes, people restricting it to a fair the whole community and the whole nation, the whole of the cities and towns. No? Yes, we have safety precautions. No, what are some of the things as a community, as in every way I can, but as I see, as to be from time to time, I see because I can. As one day, a bit could be assumed. Safety precautions are also with me to prevent this flooding and other disasters specifically with flooding.
Madame boom tofa.
Yes, mami.
In Strawberry no. The Dadonia you know your 2 major rainy season. Your May, June, July, your October. But sister no climate change in them be etum asasa. Last year this Rebecca in so all the year na time they are sunutum eto. Into another and this is here onyanity climate change here the no onyanya betina. Into ye we boy we ho ba no so. Into bia na nyim da wan kasa wo da na prevention onya ka wo. Na mu atoyentem misia onye na neti no ye ka wo. Travel go ban ma wo da no bi so na da no atoyentem baba bubun another wa be say wa ba fo we japadiza ko ije be so wo da ni na no. Ma onye no ye ka wo na say bo ho bana obi wo ko na da no do a ohia pra go krope ni chance no wa wetu na waka fa baba kase no da to da no do. Baba kase hu mo otutu otu oyi ekobo obi an oze onye neziba ebi so o da meyi na obotum efamani ya nsu botum ase ne da no ma wa akase yaze na bia nkotumi fa carpenter yi bi mo de prego krope ezebo ne da no ma bi na de be yesu wa so de bia nyankasa ye fichi amane to bia ya fa ya hunshim sa assembly man bodewura osebe di yankasa so onka yan esese da bia yebe yi fichi gotesa first na katanka so wona nan ka yezemeka yu go bantamna na wa da mun zaman ya da osi no mbe hu tanka so sisi ara obi aja bibia obi ampo ne fie mpo opede adane ba ho nanka obeye nzama nka nanka so tumiye basa yanka se yedi tum da bia ya nye da mun zaman ka kaya fomboa ko obobo nyembebre yenyim da bia yo asasi bi eda abati nsu ifechi no ori extension di ko insuno kaka no pebo da gata na ya na ro ne insu so afi bia on top ti da bia inde watu bi afi bi obotum atoka kredi ntebo na ofi de nsu mfo ho bi won kase aba sisa kisa keposi ya ne subanti baby first no mpo na nsu to onko yina na nse nsu ta oko ti first na nka yo flat prone areas yetum ya bubozin and yetum ya mbozin
cuz adoso
de biara eko oni nyina o yankasa nyipa ne yansuban ehwe Jan Jones na chiwe ya emu de biara nka osebe nka nsubu a otwetwini ya no wa ferefe una wesi eda no nti sunu bonte be biaro to de kai kwana nti kai kwano de bia we ya no wetutu otire abrai ko eyifo junction ya we ya pena nsunu etutu because a drainage kakabia nka oda eyifo entabofu nanyim gata bia nka osebe nka otiem no obofa kasinu mu no tama odu be bia entabofu no wono ka contractor no do obama kwa mo waye no wente no nti ode endi we chi wo ti nsuru bodo obu de faka kwan no mu nti akwan no o ya na we tutu but ko ahana assessment fu ma be wo da dem gata no on team ba ntabofo no onyimida bi a wo pe kwan wo de won tabu de bi a wo da ko won ya adumuti contractor no so we ntse oje city no ko tua do echi no kwen contract bi aso time da ho
so do yen ntem
nti sisi nsuru to no obu for kwanu mu na sisi a wa aba na adufo ho ma zeneta nti min akasina nkasa nyipa no adwuma so ya etu yetase bia ma nkaya cheche yezbeye adwuma kobotum aboye bebre nkaya akwana yene nzama bebre ho a tida nzama bi on sede ye hu de bia mama ye bebre on sede ye sida no ho asase bi on de wa de ho ba sense wa de ho a chere no bende enye skete bo force atobati hu de ya tacha imu do ya tacha pa ekwabo academy o yanko de insudi nya bebia enfonko nti ya beto ebo anesi asuna asanso afre wasanso afre yambio but sanka wanka sa wosisi ekwana layout yin ebia nka wusibu dan kaka no na aye gata wo da na yim anache obi so oboba botwe no so de o de twetwe da nti ebia na bia insu to wodi ofu but obi wo na wa fere na di wo so na obi ne di sefum obi afa na mo wenye ni skati ma na epe na obeye nti ni nya aka ho obi asise ayo zo pele ni fie de me compound bo pele to da mutasi bi nti nsu ni nyinara no sise office run no ze mikaze oba nti wo maye nyina yesu ase yesi da na yenhwe yenyanko ni nchen mama yankada bia ono na wenye ni sawuso nyi oskanti ma iwezi mu dan mo block na access ni to ninsu obotum nsu ase ni fia wo ze buwo into ono so eka nzama wo dam ho no ba na sisi aso nsu na esifom sisi ansu no wa atwe na ewie nti yankasa nkwankro no so yebohwe bia odo anapa mo fama wo ko school in dey say insuni for weather party na wo dey insuni asepa abofra no mountain efie
okay
mama onko metrofone na say where azepa was the weather forecast was ba ma emeka say mo be na nenya nti epe afa no ewu dey ni yeye no so wo dey insuni be hye ya na pe awo mama onye onko school kra ebia na so owo school na nsuno so ebe ase na se wo mi se eko school ho na yin kaka wo be teachers wo be plan na se abofa no akofi wan kasa peyin no so bia imu de bia nsuno achiwa da big no de nsuno achiwa sahade kwa meji na do bia na ase billboard akasinya avoid nzama no ekay CBO pedwade ya kasi to bi no do ninya sisa nso na otono fama na azu na onu mu no nti wo manyi na yehwe yahuye ewo dam season because nso wa ka che ndem mo wa be ye kati yeza kasina nkasa wechi ina sisa mo owo fomu no onko ntina kakra bia eba na Friday no amadu nti wo menye nyina yenhwe yehuye na yensesi yenechi na hu bibia so a hu bibia bia na nadmofo emba oho na so the hoe baba entem na botumi nyina asetu ye baba ho
waka ne sane nsemi pese wo de mo number bia ebetimi ye de afrem wo de no so Mama de ba shoba me nchare mom Matthias ba o hwehwe no ba obi ebisa question wo YouTube Francis Kumsin or say mimbisa fire say are there any recent trends in fire outbreaks that the public should be aware of or person who say recently no fire na cause no is there a trend a follow pattern bi ana I know I was say omanfo no ehu
them not fire outbreak be our no source. Okay. Or no economic no the but witness fire electrical fires or dominate.
Okay.
Electrical fires dominate in fire outbreaks, both domestic and industrial, offices and household fire outbreaks. In Libya, we don't think of safety, but we think of security.
Okay.
Madam, every in the wabe fee me in there was your fridge ozoroko. Onyono. Intense. That valuable small things in phone, jewelry, laptops, iPads. These are sample work or flash screen.
This one when you show no matter we are with you and our fridge.
No, but in Kenya, winter in your obedient Joe. What bed, what mattress, Nina obedient. But the oba sweep. I will money would damn at a goal. We don't think of it. On fire, on fire. The way a month was see burglar proofs. When I born, when he did in Tokra, people should be very careful. People should be because burglar proof now is main door was the padlock was were outside. Padlock no them were inside. The clock no them were inside. Clock no them were outside. Was one side room was the padlock was the casing was the key was the bottle. If it's the speed, it's the fee, hall, and now bedroom, it's just to hold my but will you remember where the key is? We don't think of safety, we think of security. This is our concern.
Just recently, no electrical fires.
Dominating. Dominating. And fire safety so is shared responsibility.
Okay.
We do just say they want and a pay about na you're king. You're an affirmative. Okay, crown. We be tea in a while and a year for. Say you can't no in tea one fine and a year for. The way you be
cost 90.
Cost 90. And see, say you put 20 in the word tea and in the net 10 wafer. What's here? When she has no two or catching in per 10 now. 10 would add another 10. The 10 will add another 10. You have 10 now, what's saying? When we look at it, as I read, first service over TV, do cost that we work at the main or but say, oh, yeah, into or could be there or yeah. Oh, suppose you catch him there, Damazi, Odin Jefferson, and yelling the moon, but the men are the message is going. But young Demopaza a bedding. You bet Quackats no radio do ya casa, you will be TV do ya casa, but one will bet say no why you know your phone. Even your responsibility in your baby education, we educate is part of our core mandate.
Yeah.
Give public education.
Yeah.
Yabaye ne say ya obokwe career them. Only you know how. So we say no why is a year kana. It's just to be over and Chomba. It's about to task fire safety is shared responsibility. Okay. Ghana National Fire Service is doing their part. The citizens or the individuals must listen and do what fire service is saying. Thank you.
Mr. Rashid, thank you very much. Mr. Kwanza, Pasha, when your number namayana. Okay. Fatu jana omanfro hu wonti we number say in case of any incasity who betimi afre no
no say hu azi bia obotumozi otoenchem ezaba ebotum afre Cape Coast Metro.
Okay, so say so train crowd mass.
No, yes sister, yes you no office asoye o ye basa botum say botum akọ abra revenue office CCMA revenue NADMO office or ebe CCMA NADMO office or eco agric Ministry of Agric NADMO office or Ansana regional office.
Okay.
And we are in such a way that you go to me add then baby obi bia o na esan so ye was zona staff yama wo ba ifefi wo yin kofu engage so nche bia bia wo mbo pobi mboba o abede wo nwezi
okay
de wo ewunda nadmo fa anti ama ehwehwe wona wo mpotem wona mpo onye de bia ebaba
okay
nti ebotum damna mese hu bibia no so ebotum afre metro director nana
okay
059
059
309
88 60.
Yeah.
Okay, 059 309 8860. Okay. For be mukana we ya. Okay, yeah, that's a pan. Simple show shaman so. Own saving number and no saving number.
Cape Coast.
And we Cape Coast Metro.
Yeah.
Cape Coast Metro.
Both south, north and south.
Both north and south. All right. Yeah, that's a pan. Now, Mr. Rashid, also my so I paid before most model paid fire. A minimum or other areas and
3 stations. There were UCC. There was Metro Office.
Metro Office.
There were headquarters.
Headquarters ni paid. Okay. See my number manager will be in case of
UCC and mama do akọ ola virus now. Not ola let's say a fire service. You go to my for UCC fire station.
Okay.
Number is 020 53 88 648.
All right.
UCC number is 020 53 88 648.
Okay.
Metro. That is municipal.
All right.
Or 055 67 90 109.
Okay.
That is Metro. By regional headquarters.
All right.
So if you don't remember, say let's say a regional headquarters now. Regional headquarters, but both to UCC and now Metro no wabiano.
Okay.
Only 020 53 88 644.
Okay.
Regional headquarters, your number in. And I know the whole central region, be here fire station, there a further number here. Here bonus a further number here. Quickly they will get the nearest fire station. Ama Wabenona or Bababo.
Okay.
See, these are 3 numbers. But
I bet each the station number for immediate calling. Nothing away freeway, so on freeway.
No,
straight away.
One line or so. The difference between the emergency line and the main line. Okay. Main line is another line.
Okay.
But emergency line 192. No, Asuzi Kakra.
192.
192. If ra obaba. No, Asuzi when there. If ra Teleco say use MTN and now Vodafone and now Tigua. Chigo ko Teleco so on headquarters Wakra. And some of our divert was on the fire service. You also be the say you're 400 employees for the MTN main office in one can say 400 but to my friend several times. No, Obiaran pick a line. If 192 Obiaran pick here on do fire service.
Okay.
So more to task if let's do fire service would be saying semi basa within one number no be a trench and location of the incident. And myself we for obinum na wa ba we be a potla se be wa ba impim the brain so we fra even pay be here ampo we fra fa ija to me fi no the phone na to enyin fa na ya baba.
Okay.
Mpacho efreso nessa eka brofu edura you go brofu eduru asem brofu eduru.
Okay, and also specific.
You have to be specific. Chapel Square, Winnipeg Chapel Square, Cape Coast Chapel Square, Elmina Chapel. You have to be specific.
Okay.
Tama Elmina Chapel Square ratio. The call came, but the person mentioned Chapel Square. You were Cape Coast. We have to move Metro to go to Chapel Square. No fire scene. I need a call number, but the address of the fire, you found the address of the fire. Wamba. nti yechi go ya later na call bay obeke chende ija chapel square yes yaso bi work so and for you go Elmina you have to make a move. Look at the distance. The queen of Yama say. But it's no way back there. Yambe. No address of the fire now is in my hand. On ye. See, you're about to task your mouth for Zamake. So if you're 192 now, but look on the wall. Aboko Telecos, one headquarters will be on a fire service national, Accra, Waju particulars, no, Afro region. No region, for the nearby fire station, or what? But 3 members say if we are or a direct, if we are phone or the you put on man before me. Mama Yamina Bima and Frey for emergency, phone in bell, not in bell complain. Impoko one failure will be matter because you'll be employed to monitor emergency situation. That is why the phone is there. Okay. At that time, Impoko in pick a line now. Where were you?
So dear Sako.
The Kunas are going to be matter because Amma Obi. Major party was said.
Mr. Kwanza, most more emergency line and Nadmo.
Oh, he was in the same process.
Okay.
When I want to a friend or the same process.
Okay.
See back to your way, second no do
okay, who did? Meaning, is always my brief. No campaign. Or Nadmo. Inspector guitar cram. No one needs Zoom lion. But Nina, other nation or Bois, Zoom lion machines to prevent them will be disaster a drainage more.
Do a finance for prevention a 12 program or 12 week into you have to double bomber. Bia atrencham ninya obabrade be say jone jinya no mu de ho na say insuto ninya okọ na sonkoko amafofia hallelujah
and one na ye hwehwe okay yeah that's it in just say nadmo for na no do campaign okay omoni zoom live for na all right nzie na ye nhye so me yem kran ka wo nkonko ye film bo manadmo for ma me ye ho hwe yankasa as citizens yen taking responsibility kakra of yankasa life yankasa environment immediate environment maybe amity na me take responsibility of me immediate also ye the immediate obedient immediate collectively it's the whole nation na ye what you say nti na ye mfa nche yesu musa na ha na emre ene krabia ebe makwan ama yede Coastal TV Mondays edition morning mix no yede aba na wieye anopei se nsu ahwe kwa na anka wose mbie phone na mbise obi ase ede na anopei nsu menye class test we ya but emre no emma yakwan ma yenyesa but migidi sa anopei no yesu bebre eba beboaye fire and water me cause water also count because these two are very so the dangerous masters they are very, very good servants but say ina jeans more as say name baby and na me internet no me yes one lady only so ye ni fie ni naira everything she didn't take a single thing everything is gone na me bo fu say nkofo agent or this side dan man no say nipa no nim say there's a situation like that na nipa kona kan che no that was her complaint and she was crying all over it was sad but me person say dey ebeto wan kasa mpo won person ebeto nti yanso on person ebeto nti na wo ye ho adwuma enya kasa keke ene ya no kasa keke action so eka ho National Petroleum Authority NPA and diesel gift shop Amendments Hardware and Finishes, Nesto Ventures, Samsung and the Taste Kitchen Services, Abafoi and Asoya say amen yede programming yede abro morning mix programming yede abro bomodia say o shoya o be shoye a digital channel 51 for your Facebook and it also our YouTube. Na only edin kisansa ne ese na efata meda Mr. Mohammed Rashid as a fire for office paid specifically na eba sa enso na Mr. Anthony Kwanza enso kasama nadmo for anopay. Two very important topics and ya digest ya decode the amount making sure say uru fi e mane nye shekeke so wa show na wi na refi yina yam fancy okotodwem se me na ehia wa echina bi ebehia na yenye no sa anapa itima me ne omo eye ejuma ye director Mrs. Nomi ebabe fa program so my motivational message mo sham fefe sanso ana sa ko control na Ben any AJ ebo machi don den dia enya go sanso ana Philip ejina camera na chi o chinchim no make sure say bibia all right fina ana obo modern ji ye guest na baba odo mo epie mu ewo studios has say Delphina. My channel short Delphina. Sana etie. Me anka sanso medi dwumadi no chia me. Medi de afiba esen. Se na me adom na se divine selection no ebi kan ye echina. Ye be sanso ehyiemu. Channel so say Tuesdays no ye afarefo edu afarefo nkomo ewofi ase. Nti bomodi ase echina no obebuki appointment na woni atna Coastal TV morning media so. Ano mache edua so adubo I hope say enwa na make ha no I was saying na me so no bi fofo embra nyame adoma ochina ebisa so edi ehiem mom bye bye
ade wapla wo ya mi oya me ba me ni kate kwa waso ne so asia a wo be kuma na di kate kwa wo mpeto bi ni ana afrada